Hi everybody, me again, talking about blogs. Look, I'm wearing the same shirt as the last one. How awkward. Anyhow, today we're talking about setting up your blog. So you already understand what blogs are all about. If you're in my class, you already understand that you should have selected a topic by now and emailed it to me. If you haven't done that yet, stop. Do that first. Otherwise, hey, hang out here. Here's our outline. We're going to be setting up your blog. We're going to create a free account using WordPress. You're going to choose a blog domain name, something.wordpress.com, and a blog title. A couple things before we dive into WordPress.com, so stay here. Don't go there yet. Stay. First of all, if you have an email address from drakeslc.org, I don't want you to use it. Primary reason is that at the end of this year in Trek or whatever program you're in, you won't have access to that email anymore. What if you fall in love with this blog? What if you're really into it? Keep using an email that you'll have access to after this year. I'd also like you to use an email that protects your privacy. It's up to you, but I would be very cautious about using an email that reveals your name. Consider where you are in life right now. Consider what you're entering the world of blogging and creating a public document on the internet. How much do you want to give away? Because bottom line, I can't emphasize this enough, your privacy is very important in this blogging project. If you're uncertain about anything related to your privacy, stop right now, don't set anything up, and ask me first. That's what's really important to me. All right, folks. Otherwise, point your browser to wordpress.com, not wordpress.org. You got it, wordpress.com. Let's keep on going. All right, so now we're at wordpress.com. Look for the big orange button that says Get Started and click it. Here we are at the blog setup window. Now again, I want to pay attention to this. You're going to work with the free version, right? You're not spending money. Use the free one. Why? Well, why WordPress would be the real question. WordPress is a professional blogging tool that is very difficult for you to outgrow if you really get into blogging. If your blog really takes off and you want to take it to the next level and invest in a domain name that you own, foodforlife.com, great, go for it. But until then, the free version will serve you very well. All right, enough speeches. We got to set up first with an email address. So I'm going to use one of mine, 395 webdesign at gmail.com. And it's going to ask me about a username. You can choose the username that you want. Keep in mind it will be visible to other people online and through your blog. And then pick a password. That you like. And then pick your blog address. This is the part I want to pause and think about for a little bit. So if you're blogging about food, in restaurants, in recipes, get some of those words in there that make sense. It doesn't have to be food recipes restaurants.wordpress.com. It could be yummystuff.wordpress.com. I like food.wordpress.com. If you're blogging about mountain biking, don't say freeipads.wordpress.com. It sounds spammish and it has nothing to do with mountain biking. Also, keep in mind, you may reach a point where you're going to be telling people, oh yeah, check out my blog. It's at mountainbiking.wordpress.com. Now, if you use mountain biking in the traditional correct spelling, that's going to work for people. But if you have to say it's at mountainbiking.wordpress.com, that's MTNBYKNG, no I.wordpress.com. At that point, the person you're talking to is hearing like blah, 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 because, or they're trying to write it down or whatever. Stick with something that's normal, stick with something that's understandable, and that fits your topic. So I'm going to blog about web design, 395 web design. It's catchy. You'll also notice that it has not been taken. If you pop in a web address that has already been taken, like, I can guarantee you, web design has already been taken. Sorry, that site already exists. You're out of luck. But maybe you try Web Design 360. Oh, already taken. Web Design 180? Available. This might be a good time to pause the video and start writing down ideas for your domain name. You're also welcome to pause the video and send me an email right now with 5 of your favorite suggestions, and let's talk about them a little bit. See what works best for you. So once you've made your choice, then you go down and you click on Create Blog. Notice it's under the free section. And now an email is going to be fired off to you that you have to confirm to complete your registration. Don't even bother going any further, folks. Go to your email, check your email, go finish setting up your blog, and then I want you to look down in the comments, right down there, and there's a link where you're going to fill out some information for me so that I know that you set up your blog, you'll give me the web address, you'll give me the topic, and you'll give me your name. After that, go watch the next important video about the 3 things you need to do to set up your blog well. And thanks for watching.